Yo, y'all know I kill every rapper. On the fucking mic, I'ma slap ya. Going so fast, I ain't never going wrong. Yeah, you know me, I take a hit out the bong. I'm going like the strong, I'm off like I'm strong. You already know, take a hit out the bong. I'm like Cheech and Chong, but I'm stuck in the light. You know me, man, I'm finna fucking fly on a kite. I'm up on the plane, and I'm the pilot. You know me, fucking sky is skylit. I don't give a fuck about what you gotta say, cause it's coming out my brain and my name is Anthony. Yes, I'm going off, man, and I'm blowing on the green. You already know I'm looking so damn mean. You can call me the Hulk, or call me what you want. I don't give a fuck, bro, I walk my fucking walk. I got crew up on my shirt, yeah, you know what we do. Don't give a fuck, bro, bring out the Mountain Dew. Mix it with the Crown, I like how it tastes. You know me, I just woke in your girlfriend's face. Shit, my babies, she swallowed up all my kids. I don't give a shit, bro, this is how I live. Too high gang, stay high every day. Why so red? Cause I'm so fucking stoned, man. Yeah, you know this beat, I just freaking killed it. And you know, man, I fucking dance in it. I put my heart and soul in every freestyle. And I'm going like this, I'm a wild child. I'm only 19, and I sip it fast. I don't care, bro, I'll sip it in the flask. Yeah, I'm so down, I'll rob a house, rob your grandma, and rob your damn tooth. Like a tooth fairy, but I'll take the money. I don't give a shit, bro, I'm looking so funny. But I ain't a clown, never been that. You fucking with me, motherfucker, better bring the gun. I don't give a fuck, bro, I ain't gotta run. Yeah, the only thing I fucking run's the fucking gun. I fucking switch it around, put it to your nose, blow out your brain. I'm blowing in though, blowing out though too, cause I'm Mexican. I smoke any kind of weed unless you give me stone. As long as you give me stone, that's what I fucking stone. And what I'm fucking stone, I'm looking like I'm fucking stone, cause I'm looking like I'm just standing there. You already know, I don't even fucking care. So don't bring me your problems, don't bring me your girl. But if you bring me your girl, I promise I'll wreck a world. Cause I'm going so fast and I'm never going slow. That's the way it's going down when it's coming up off the dome. B-U-R-I-T-T-O, call me Burrito, call me Double T, nigga, I ain't got the free flow. Freestyle flow so sick off the mind. You already know, in the light I'ma shine. Coming from Texas, throwing up the V, chucking up the V, 956 is where I be. Yeah. How you like that? Too high gang, nigga, just spike that. Despite what I said and despite what I killed, cause everything I kill is what I steal. So fuck your damn mom and fuck your damn hoe. I don't give a shit, it's out the fucking dome. Yo.